this is one example of physics simulation which we are currently running in NVIDIA Isaac Sim, and if we see, it is creating physically accurate simulations of how these particles are being thrown on top of a ball, and it simulates that. And there are like some similar examples as well. Let me open like one other example. So this is like some particles, and there are some forces which got applied on top of it, and it simulates this kind of behavior. And also I think if we move this ball, you can see the particles are going in a very physically accurate way. So there are like some physics solvers and all which is running behind it, some like mathematical equations which calculate the trajectories of each and every particle. And there is something called action graph in Omniverse which runs behind these kind of simulation, which selects some prims are these like primitives, particles and all, particles from mesh, and like it simulates that. So bundle inspect changes and write print, so it internally like calculates how the collisions and all is working, and then like simulates these kind of behavior. Similarly, there are some other examples as well in NVIDIA Omniverse Isaac Sim, which internally are simulating like the physics behavior of waves and particles and different things.